I had been putting off going to see a dentist of any kind for years because I had such a terrible experience when I was a kid. But my wife knew that my teeth health was getting worse and worse and was not going to get better. And I was walking a pretty fine line of probably breaking off a few of my front teeth. So she actually found Dr. Rink's office, and it was the best rated office in Charleston. In my early adult years, my top teeth were pretty much gone, so it made eating really difficult, really affected my health and affected my overall smile. So the first step was just for health reasons for me, but as it turns out, the cosmetic reasons had a much bigger benefit in my lifestyle and has made my overall health a lot better and has made me feel a whole lot better overall. For me, I didn't realize how much I did not used to smile. It's just something I guess it was subconscious and never noticed it. As soon as I had my teeth done, that completely changed. I smile all the time. It's a lot more comfortable. People seem to like it, which is always a plus. I just had my top teeth done, but Dr. Rink built out an entire plan for my entire mouth one day if that's something that I would like to pursue. I knew all of the details. I understood the why he does things the way he does, which made me feel a whole lot more comfortable. So I believe that your overall health really starts with your mouth, and if your mouth's not healthy, it makes it very difficult to stay healthy overall, which can affect your moods and just your overall happiness. So not only am I physically a lot healthier, I feel a whole lot better and my smile feels a whole lot better. After my first consultation with Dr. Rink, I knew I'd found my dentist who I know and trust. It makes me feel very comfortable. I don't worry about going to the dentist anymore. It's just a great overall experience, and I will always be coming back.